please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to DoDreamOn if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Okay, today, super duper excited. Y'all know what time it is. We are doing some more bleached shirts, okay? But I did a different process, and I actually sublimated first, then I bleached. So I'm not even about to let you see it yet. I'm gonna let you go ahead and watch the video, and then we go see how it turned out. Okay, let go. Okay, so these shirts I got from Jiffy months ago. They are the Gildan soft style, and they are 60%, 65% polyester, 35% cotton. Okay, I'm going to be doing this shirt, and then I'm going to be doing this shirt, and this is once again 65% poly, 35% cotton, Gildan soft style. I got these from Jiffy, but this was like so long ago. All right, but these are the two colors we're going to be doing. I have my heat press on 400 degrees for 60 seconds. These are the two images I'm going to be using. This is my clip art on my Etsy shop, DoDreamOn, the girl, and then I just used Canva to put that picture, the woods background, but this is my image, and then I got this from Etsy as well, the Hocus Pocus, and these are the two images that I'm going to be using. Like I said, my image, and then the Hocus Pocus, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and press this, and then we're going to bleach it. So we're doing the reverse. So the first image I want to do, the first shirt I'm going to do is going to be this shirt. Okay, and you know we go ahead and we lint roll anytime we do sublimation. Okay, I'm going to just pre-press it really quickly. Just get it hot. Let me fix this. Okay. I think it was a little bit, I don't know, the screen looked a little weird. So I'm going to put the Hocus Pocus image on this one. It has some like blues and purples in it. We're going to just flip it over. We're going to go ahead and tape it down. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and slide it to my butcher paper. And then we're going to press it for 60 seconds. Okay. All right. You can see through the butcher paper. Y'all seem kind of far. Y'all know we got to scooch y'all in. Okay. So you can see through the butcher paper that it went through. Ooh. And you can see this. Now, this was 10 inches in width and I think 9 in height. I could have made it even bigger if I wanted to. But it actually, you can see it on here. You can actually see it pretty decent. See that? It looks good. I tell you, this is Asa paper and Cosmo ink. This stuff. Look at that. It looks good on this. But you know, we're gonna bleach it to see how much better it gets. And then now we're gonna do it on the orange. lint roll it. Pre-press it a little bit. Get it nice and hot. We're going to take the image. And this one was 10 inches in width and 8 inches in height. I could have made it bigger, but that's what it is. Cover it with our good butcher paper. And we're going to press it for 60 seconds at 400 degrees. All right. You see it went through. And yep, you can see this one too. Look at all that ink off. It looks good. So let's take a look. See that? All right. Now we're gonna get to bleaching them. So meet me outside. Let's make sure you can see it really good first. Okay. All right, y'all. So these are my amber spray glass bottles I'm going to be using. I'm going to open them up in a second. Then y'all know I got these from Hobby Lobby for $1.99. My t-shirt forms. And then these are the shirts I sublimated on. This is a really nice sunny day. So I'm so excited. I'm about to go grab the bleach to put inside of here. And I have my peroxide to stop it. So, and then I'm going to go ahead and wash them. So, I showed you guys the images already on the shirts. Excuse my hands. I think they ashy. Oh, Lord. So, what we're going to do is go get the bleach, get to spraying, and getting it started. Okay, and this is the bleach that I'm using today. All right, so this is the bleach, the Clorox. And that's the bleach inside of the amber spray bottle, the amber spray glass bottle. And let's get to getting. Okay, the sun is out today. All right, so I'm just going to take the spray bottle. I gotta turn it on first. So it has string, okay? Uh-oh. So I'm just spraying where the image is and then just spraying it over it, okay? And I'm gonna do the same for this one. Okay, hope y'all was able to see it. So we're gonna see if it's gonna work. And remember, this is the bleaching, the sublimation first technique, then bleach. All right, and it's right in the sun. We're gonna see what it's gonna do. See what it do, baby. Okay, so it literally has been a couple seconds and I see the blue already. Y'all see the blue? Sorry about the cars. Y'all see that blue? Let's see what the orange. Let's see what the orange is gonna do. The blue is changing right before our eyes, though. Look at it. Oh, it's changing a lot. we literally are directly in the sunlight. The orange taking a second to change. But this blue is changing. Okay, hocus pocus. I need this orange to change. I see it a little bit. But I need to give me something good. Oh, I can see the orange now too. The orange is changing as well. Okay, so now it's been about 7 or 8 minutes and they both turned out really cute. So it worked. So what I'm gonna do is take the peroxide and then and then I'm gonna spray it. I hope y'all can see. So I'm taking the peroxide. Hope y'all can see because I was just spraying. And I'm spraying just to stop the bleaching. I'm about to put them in a washing machine, in the dryer, and we gonna see how they turn out. But they turned out really good, and it happened really fast. It's that sun, y'all. The sun literally makes all the difference, seriously. When the sun is popping, it is good. Y'all, this sun is so bright. Look at that. Yes. I'm excited. They turned out so good. So let's get a good look. Look how good it turned out. So good. Y'all know this is my clip art. The girl, not the woods, but the girl. It is my clip art. So you guys can get it on Etsy or DoDreamOn is the shop. But this turned out so good. And then this one, look at it. This one was the one that as soon as I put it on, literally, it started changing. So it turned very, very good. It's so cute. I love it and I love the design. So yes, and that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Queen Dreamers. We love it over there. Please follow me on Instagram, DoDreamOn is the handle. TikTok, DoDreamOn is the handle. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there, you hear? Bye. Oh, wait, I got a little bit more for y'all. Oh, and what I did was I did wash and dry the shirts. So I showed you guys that I put some peroxide to stop the bleaching. And then what I did was I washed it and then I dried it. And then this is how it turned out. Okay. Y'all hear how I said peroxide? Peroxide. What in the world? Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.